Hi, it's 12th September 2021. Today is a Sunday. Today I'm going to touch on Chinese equities markets weekly review on what we have seen for the last week. So the big question right now is, where are we heading? Given the current turmoil in the Chinese equity markets, are there dangers or opportunities for us as investors to actually pick on? Well, points to note, I'm touching on Hang Seng Tech Index right here. There's a few points that I would like readers and audience of this video to actually see. Well, there's 5,850 points, 6,300 points, and 6,960 points. As of Friday close, Hang Seng Tech Index was at 6,748. We have to watch for support at 6,300 and 6,600 points right now. If you look at the 1 month chart, at one point, Hang Seng Tech Index went down to as low as 5,800, or slightly lower. But then, that day itself, I actually mentioned to my readers on Tiger Brokers that, well, it's time for myself to pick up small volume of shares so that opportunities will not be missed. And at that point in time, I correct bought additional shares in addition to my block of Chinese equities and managed to actually wave right on the wave. When it actually went all the way up, you actually see the Hang Seng Tech Index going up from around 5,800 points plus to around 6,700 right now. Of course, there's even higher high, which sees like around 6,920 points for Hang Seng Tech Index. Well, this is a longer time frame chart of Hang Seng Tech Index. Like what I mentioned earlier, I'm cautiously optimistic as long as the support levels are not broken. The few points where I mentioned are the price points to note. Of course, there's the 6,600 point that we also have to note in the next 1 week. See whether this support is broken or supported. Well, Hang Seng Index, we'll see a longer time frame chart here, all the way from 2007 to 2021. For the last 2-3 years, Hang Seng Index was underperforming the global equities market like US and Euro markets, which have already made all-time high. For Hang Seng Index, you actually take a look at the chart. It's been hovering around 25,000 points to as high as around 33,000 in 2018. But in 2021, the highest point I could call is around 31,000. So investors and traders are jittery about Hang Seng or Hong Kong equities, reason being because of its relationship with the Chinese equities in general. Will there be confidence being rebuilt to see Hang Seng Index tracking back to the earlier high in this year, which is above 30,000 or close to 31,000? We remain cautiously optimistic, like what I mentioned. Well, my thoughts, Hang Seng Tech Index had to hold on to the 6,300 and 6,600 levels in order for the reversal of the trend, because earlier from July 2021 all the way to August, there's weakness in Hong Kong market, in the Chinese market, but we are actually seeing a slight retracement upwards from 5,800 right now to around 6,700. The question to ask ourselves is this a retracement or reversal of the downtrend? Now that the reversal of the downtrend becomes an uptrend, these are the two questions you have to think through. For me, I will continue to monitor support levels. The developments for the last week is actually pretty positive, as I think higher low. For Hang Seng Index, which is right now at 26,205 as of 10 September, short-term support we have to watch for is 25,700 and 26,000, with stronger support at 25,000. But of course, we did see it dipping slightly below 25,000 to around 24,700, but it quickly came back this 25,000 level within half a day. So I have reasonable confidence that this 25,000 can be supported. unless something drastic happen in the market, the US market suddenly crash, or the Delta variant or the COVID-19 pandemic becomes so serious that economic slowdown become a norm globally in the world economy. As always, I have been documenting my own take of the markets as well as individual stock. Feel free to give me a like and follow my YouTube video if you like it. I will be posting regularly on this platform to share my thoughts and my views of different equities, different instruments, be it futures, commodities, as well as the broad market. Hope you like it. Lastly, this should not be construed as any investment or trading advice. Thank you.